just found this guy I was doing some work for, had this little truck in his garage. He just told me, got around to selling it, let me know. A couple years later, he gave me a holler. Took all the bags of leaves out of the back of it and everything is storing in it. Got it put on a trailer, been playing around with it, doing a little this and that with it. Kind of an old restoration, but it's a real nice truck. You know, really, this truck already was kind of restored years ago and had been sitting. So I did have to put a carburetor on it, fuel pump, the tank was full of rust. Just kind of did a few things here and there as I go along. Most of it was already completed. It could use a paint job, so maybe that's down the road if I get around to it. You know, I've had a lot of these old trucks through the years. My first one was a 64 when I was 14 years old down in Arkansas. And my dad found it, 550 bucks. So I drove that. Me and my brother had that for years. Just when you have something when you're a kid, you just fall in love with it. And then so I've just had different C10s through the years, whenever I can get around to afford it. And then I'll sell it, and I get another one. I can drive it. I'm not afraid to hop in it, drive it. I'll take it to work sometimes and stuff. You know, it's not a show truck. It's just a nice little truck. I like that about it. I can just hop in it, take off, go somewhere with it. It runs real good.